Best IKEA TVs, affordable solutions for every home. Choosing the right TV stand is crucial for a well-organized space. IKEA's selection combines modern design with practical features. They provide options that suit different room sizes and styles. Some stands offer smart storage solutions, helping you keep cables and accessories neatly tucked away. List number 1, a 902.432.97 LAC TV stand. The IKEA 902.432.97 LAC TV stand offers a sleek and modern design. Its black finish complements any room decor effortlessly. With a width of 35 3/8 inches, it fits most spaces perfectly. Easy to assemble, it makes a great addition to your living room. Sturdy construction ensures it holds your TV securely. Enjoy its practical and stylish design in your home. Advantages: stylish black design fits well with any home decor. Easy to assemble with clear instructions included. Compact size saves valuable living room space. Sturdy construction supports most TV sizes. Affordable price offers great value for money. List number 2, VR Universal Tabletop TV. Transform your TV setup with the VR Universal Tabletop TV Stand mount. Designed for 27 to 65-inch screens. This mount offers height-adjustable legs for personalized viewing comfort. The strong TV base supports up to 88 pounds, ensuring stability. Compatible with both flat and curved screens. Easy installation makes it a practical choice for any home. Advantages: versatile fit for different TV sizes, from 27 to 65 inches. Adjustable height offers personalized viewing comfort. Strong base supports TVs up to 88 pounds safely. Easy installation with clear instructions and necessary tools. Sleek design complements any home decor effortlessly. List number TV Stand, Classic 4. Transform your living space with the stylish Banana TV stand. Designed for TVs up to 60 inches, this classic white stand enhances any room's decor. The 4 cubby spaces offer ample storage for media essentials, keeping everything organized and tidy. Its elegant design fits perfectly in both living rooms and bedrooms. Elevate your home entertainment experience with this chic and functional addition. Advantages: a stylish addition, the Banana TV stand enhances any living space. Its classic design complements modern and traditional decor alike. Plenty of storage. For cubby spaces, keep your area clutter-free. Organize media devices, books, or decorative items with ease. Perfect for large TVs. It supports TVs up to 60 inches securely. Enjoy your favorite shows without worry. Versatile placement options. Suitable for living rooms or bedrooms. Fits seamlessly wherever you need it. White finish brightens rooms. Adds a clean, fresh look to your home. A simple way to refresh your space. List number 4, Fiverr Tabletop TV Stand with. The Fiverr Tabletop TV Stand offers a stylish and sturdy solution for your TV. Its height-adjustable legs fit most 37 to 86-inch flat or curved TVs. With a strong steel build, it holds up to 150 pounds. The stand features cable management for a clean setup. Enjoy a sleek, organized entertainment space with this versatile TV stand. Advantages: adjustable height for perfect viewing. The stand allows customized height settings. Tailor viewing comfort easily. Supports a wide TV size range. Fits TVs from 37 to 86 inches. Versatile for many models. Strong and sturdy steel construction. Holds up to 150 pounds safely. Durable for long-term use. Efficient cable management system. Keeps cables organized and tidy. Reduces clutter around the TV. Compatible with flat and curved TVs. List number 5, No Classic Stand for TV Up. Enhance your living room with the Furino Classic Stand for TV up to 55-inch. Its elegant espresso finish complements any decor. Designed for functionality, it provides ample storage space for media accessories. Easy to assemble, this stand ensures your TV setup is both stylish and practical. Advantages: saves space with its compact design. Fits TVs up to 55 inches perfectly. Elegant espresso finish complements any decor. Easy to assemble with included instructions. Sturdy construction ensures TV stability and safety.